Hey guys, I'm Molly from All Healthcare Careers. I'm going to be performing step-by-step CNA skills to ensure your success on the CNA clinical skills portion of the exam. Before we get started, I'd like to show you this CNA practice kit that we put together for you to practice at home with family and friends. It will be linked down in the description along with a video breaking down exactly what's inside the kit. Let's get started. Before we get started, I'm going to perform hand hygiene, 2 pumps of hand sanitizer. I'm going to knock on the patient's room before entering. Good afternoon, Mrs. Smith. I'm Molly. I'll be your CNA. How are you today?
Good.
Wonderful. Is right now a good time for me to perform some vital signs on you?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Right now, we're going to check Mrs. Smith's respirations. The supplies you will need for this skill is either a clock or a watch. We will be checking Mrs. Smith's respirations. This will take 1 full minute. Things to be aware of. You don't want your patient to know that you're checking their respirations because that could cause inaccurate reading. So I'm going to take my hand and place it on Mrs. Smith's pulse so Mrs. Smith thinks that I will be checking her pulse. We're going to go ahead and do this skill together. I'm making sure that I'm watching the rise and fall of Mrs. Smith's chest. Wonderful. That was a full minute. I'm going to record those in Mrs. Smith's chart. Is there anything else I can do for you right now?
No, thank you.
Okay, you know where your call light is if you need anything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Once I've completed the skill, I'm going to exit the patient's room and perform hand hygiene. 2 pumps of hand sanitizer. We hope you found this video helpful. For additional resources, click the playlist for more CNA skills videos, or try our 3 free-day trial that contains over 1,000 practice questions to ensure your success on the first attempt.